Good morning and welcome to the Forex Daily Update, brought to you by Pepperstone on Wednesday the 18th of October 2017. I'm Darren Sinden, and don't forget you can follow me on Twitter at @ds_Pepperstone. Right, let's take a look at overnight changes and price moves to be aware of. Again, a relatively quiet session yesterday. I'll just flag a couple of pointers here. First of all, cable, GBP, US dollar, sterling eased again yesterday, 131.8850 we were trading a short while ago, and the recent momentum seems to have faded once more from sterling. A modest dip in the Aussie dollar yesterday, 78.48, we're trading just before the video is recorded. Dollar yen 112.23, also trading water to some extent, though I wonder if we're due to see another round of yen weakness shortly. The Mexican peso 18.78, we're trading a change of 1.31% on the day, and we'll look at the reasons for the move in the peso a little later. First of all, a chart though on the Mexican peso. Here you can see the strong gains we saw yesterday. I've put this dash blue line in, and I've called that a line in the sand, and I wonder if that momentum can continue, whether we can see the peso head back towards 18.50 against the US dollar. Right, what's on the calendar? Events that may move the markets today. Well, it's a pretty busy calendar, and as has been the way of things in recent weeks, we've got plenty of central bankers speaking. I've highlighted all those items in these blue and red arrows. Mario Draghi is speaking. We'll hear from the ECB's Prié, from the Fed's William Dudley, and from the ECB's Kerr all today. In terms of data, perhaps the most important figures are out first thing at 8:30 GMT. We have UK unemployment and average earnings for August. This data will feed directly into the Bank of England and the markets thinking about UK interest rates. Have US housing starts at 12:30 GMT, and then we have crude oil inventories out of the States at 14:30 GMT. And to finish the day, we have trade balance data out of Japan at 23:50 GMT. Right, breaking news and comment that's caught my eye. First of all, China's President Xi talks tough on Taiwanese separatism in a New Era speech at the Party Congress in Beijing. Australian listed mining stocks have fallen on weaker figures from Billiton and the emergence of fraud charges from the US against Rio Tinto. Meanwhile, South Korea's unemployment rate fell by 0.1% in September to 3.7% versus a prior read of 3.8% in August. And NAFTA trade talks are extended, and the Mexican Peso rallies as a result, and could perhaps rally further, as we saw, if that positive sentiment around NAFTA continues. Right, food for thought, something to take away with you into the trading day. And why not think about this? Bank of America's influential monthly survey has found that fund managers are becoming more bullish about the outlook for the global economy, and that the bulls are starting to outweigh the bears, it seems. And here we can see a tick up in the percentage of fund managers who think the global economy will develop positively over the next 12 months. More perhaps importantly, this blue line crossing over this yellow line, suggesting that those that are in a bullish mood are starting to outweigh those that were bearish in yellow. Right. Take a moment, please, to read the risk warning. Trading CFDs and foreign exchange on margin can be a risky business. If you're concerned about or don't understand any of the risks involved in doing so, then please contact your Pepperstone account representative.